Okavango Delta, overhyped or the real deal? Watch it till the end. We share it raw, the amazing, the beautiful, and yes, even the disappointing. We're flying camp to camp across Botswana. And today we land at our second stop, Xugana, right in the Okavango Delta. A safari in Botswana costs plenty, and the reason, well, the only real way between camps is flying.
Hello, hello.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Nice to meet you, sir. My name is Marshall.
Marshall, you gonna be our pilot?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay, let me get
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you.
From here all the way to Ghana.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
But we have one stopover in Sapu.
No problem, no problem.
I'm here to Savuti 40 minutes, and then Savuti to Ghana another 45 minutes.
Sounds good?
Yes.
Sounds like fun.
Is it?
All right.
The Chobe River stretches beneath us. We had 2 unforgettable days at the game lodge, its beauty shining from every angle. From above or below, it's breathtaking, and our last video tells that tale. In small planes, you trade the bumps for unbeatable views. Flying low, you see the land in full, horizon to horizon. The story of the land unfolds.
My pleasure, really. All right.
Thank you, Marshall.
My pleasure, man.
Bye.
Enjoy. Will it?
Here's a departure lounge. Oh my goodness, we're being picked up by boat. Well, this is our transfer from the airport to the hotel, the lodge. Heading to the lodge. You said 10-minute ride. Wow, what a scenery. The Okavango Delta, reachable only by light aircraft or boat. And here we are.
You guys are something.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you for the warm welcome.
Oh, yeah.
You guys are amazing. I love you.
Xugana Island Lodge is one of Delta's truly iconic camps. It's set on its own island, overlooking the Xugana Lagoon. Here, camping takes on a whole new meaning. 12 luxury tented suites redefine the idea of a safari tent. Our suite is a canvas and thatched sanctuary perched on a raised wooden deck. Floor-to-ceiling windows open to sweeping lagoon views. A romantic canopy bed promises comfort after long days in the bush. And for indulgence, indoor and outdoor showers. Step outside and the wilderness is right there, yet every comfort surrounds you. Now this is camping, wild, elegant, and unforgettable. We're in one of the planet's largest inland wetlands, the Okavango Delta, during the peak flood. Seasonal rains from Angola descend into Botswana, creating an oasis within the arid Kalahari. The ecosystem supports more than 400 bird species, along with countless other species. Yet, despite its grandeur, accessibility is limited. 99% of the delta is unreachable by visitors, which leaves only what you can see from boat rides through the main canal. Hippos, you'll see plenty, but don't mistake them for harmless. Territorial and aggressive, they can charge from beneath the surface, tipping small boats with terrifying ease. Encountering them too close is a risk that no one wants. The Okavango is marketed as a safari hotspot. In reality, guides really work hard, peering through tall grass, searching for sightings near the water. Why not celebrate the Delta for what it is, a bird paradise? Elephants, lions, you can spot them almost anywhere. But this feathered spectacle is the Delta's true gem. It's a unique and unmatched beauty. Baby birds learning to fly occasionally fall in the water, where crocodiles are waiting for a gift. The Okavango is stunningly beautiful. Come for what it is: nature, birds, and the lodge's charm. For leopards and lions, check out our earlier safari videos. It's 6:30 and we're at the camp, and they have a fire going here. We have our coffee, and we can hear hippos in the distance, like pretty much all night. We're in a tent, and well, this morning they had the fire going, and we're going to do a walk, a bush walk. They're going to take us to a couple different islands, and then we're going to walk around the island. So the walk will be kind of interesting. We've never done that before. You could hear the hippos in the distance last night, and I could hear, like the guy said, what you heard was a lion, and I did hear something like about 3 o'clock in the morning. You're out in nature here. Middle of Africa in Botswana, and it's different because the other places we were at was dry and there was not, everything was all dry, but here with the river and stuff, everything is green, you have birds, and it's just different. It's fun to do different places because it's all different.
For potential dangerous animals like hippos, elephants, and lions, the one that can pose a threat in your life.
Safari on foot in Africa. What could go wrong? 2 armed guides will keep us safe. One leading, one watching our backs. Bones sure tell a story. This hippo was ambushed by lions, caught on his way back to water. Nature's drama left nothing but a skeleton. On foot in big game country, the exhilaration is unmatched. Our senses are sharpened. Sounds, smells, movements. You'd never notice these from a vehicle. We are walking at daylight on an open island where threats can be seen and avoided. It's more of a wilderness hike than deliberately stalking dangerous animals.
Gives you an idea how big he is. He's huge.
Every hippopod revolves around a dominant bull. At their resting spot, we see his ritual. Wide yawns, jaws opening to 180 degrees. Those curved, ivory canines gleam. This isn't fatigue, it's dominance. His way of saying, I'm big, I'm armed, stay back. Sundowner cocktails at what has to be the most unique bar. I pinch myself just to check if I'm dreaming. So Zarko's gonna sit in the front and I'm gonna sit in the back. And he told us we have to be careful with our cameras or they'll fly off. So we'll be careful. For the full picture, to truly see what the Okavango is, there's only one way. It isn't cheap, but how many times do you come here? How many lives do you get? The truth is, most of the Delta is inaccessible.
Wow! Wow! Awesome!
The only way to grasp its scale is from above. We climb into a small helicopter. The doors are off. Wind blowing in our faces. Suddenly, we're not tourists anymore. We're birds. Herds of buffalo below look like shifting shadows, patterns moving across green and blue. Elephants march in single file, cutting paths through the water. Hippos leave silver trails across lagoons. But it's not the animals that stop you, it's the land itself. A desert transformed. Floods from Angola spread across the Kalahari, veins of blue stitching together a world of islands and channels. It's one of those rare views you don't just see, you feel it. And from this height, the Okavango finally makes sense. Horizon to horizon, it's both miracle and a masterpiece.
Talking for a run.
Hello, hello.
Is the Okavango overhyped or is it wonderful? For us, the answer is both. It really depends on your expectations. Every paradise has its trade-offs. Arrive for the right reasons, and it will deliver. The birds here are really the show. Next time, we might skip the animals and come back with a bird-focused lens on the Delta. Xugana Island Lodge nails the 5-star vibe. Ambience, comfort, location, they're all top class. But the food, honestly disappointing. For a premium resort, it shouldn't be this weak. Luxury should taste as good as it looks. If you enjoy traveling with us, join the next adventure. We're heading to Moremi Game Reserve and Camp Xakanaka. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop us a comment on your thoughts of the Okavango Delta or about your experience if you've been here. It means the world to us and really helps keep these journeys going.